Hi students, this question is important from examination point of view. So we are taking this problem today. A boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. In 13 hours it can go 40 km upstream and 45 km downstream. 55 km downstream. Determine the speed of the steam and that of the boat in still water. In this question, you need to understand what is the meaning of upstream and downstream. First of all, we need to find the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the stream. That we have to assume. The variable we have taken x and y. Why we have taken speed of boat in still water x kilometer per hour because the distance is given in kilometer and time is given in hour. So that's why we are assuming let the speed of the boat in still water be x kilometer per hour and the speed of the stream be y kilometer per hour. Now what is the meaning of upstream and downstream? Suppose this is a boat and which is moving with x kilometer per hour and this is the steam which is also moving with y kilometer per hour. So when both are moving in same direction, when the boat is moving in the direction of stream, we say down to the stream, downstream, and then the stream is helping the boat. So the speed of the boat will increase downstream. So that therefore we have written speed of boat downstream x plus y kilometer per hour. And when the boat is moving opposite to the stream, opposite direction to the stream, then the speed of boat will be reduced and therefore the speed of boat upstream is x minus y kilometer per hour. When they are moving in opposite direction, we say the boat is moving upstream, opposite direction upstream, same direction downstream. Is it clear to you? Now we know that speed is equals to distance upon time. So time is equals to distance upon speed. So here in this question, it is given 30 km upstream boat is moving and 44 km downstream and total time is given 10 hours. So time taken upstream plus time taken downstream is 10 hours. So we know time formula is distance upon speed. So we are writing 30 km upstream. So upstream the speed is x minus y. So 30 upon x minus y plus 44 km downstream, 44 km distance upon speed in downstream x plus y. This is equal to 10. Similarly for the second condition, in 13 hours 40 km upstream and 55 km downstream. So 40 upon x minus y plus 55 upon x plus y is equal to 30. Now we have to reduce this equation into linear equation. For that we are assuming 1 upon x minus y as m and 1 upon x plus y as n. So this will give you these two linear equations. Now you can solve these two linear equations by any of the three methods which we have learned, and using that you can find m and n, and after solving for m and n you have to solve for x and y. That's all.